Afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Evelyn Daria, 38 years old, presently residing at 178 St. Bernard Street. I have 2 children, married.
Tell me your experience.
I have experience here in Philippines 2010 to 2008 to 2010, then in Saudi Arabia 2010 to 2014.
Yeah. Your employer have how many domestic helpers?
We are 2.
Yeah. How about your main job?
Washing, cleaning, ironing.
Yeah. Why you go Hong Kong?
Because I want to earn money and to provide my children's needs and family.
You like the Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
That's all, ma'am. Thank you very much. Have a nice